Howdy. Be digging Vermont, just making sure you can see over here. Don't mind the cardboard. Got plans for that in a day or two here. Okay. Chicken Parmigiana. Chicken Parmigiana. Chicken Parmigiana. Something Italian sounding like that. Parmigiana, I think. I saw a guy, Greg Evans, make it bushcraft style, and it looked so good I thought I'd try it regular style. You gotta get the chicken all breaded up and fried up first, and then I'll put a bunch of ingredients into a pan. So, I haven't done any cooking stuff for a while. I just thought I'd show you this. Super easy to do outside on top of a fire, and I'll probably try to do that too soon one of these days. But for now, some egg, some chicken, and oh yeah, I got in here some nice garden tomatoes that I froze, and now I'm going to peel the skins off them, and they'll be all set to go as part of the ingredients a little later. Set these beauties over here. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. So, and I just used one egg. It should be enough for this amount of chicken. And then I'll go to the breadcrumbs. Just an Italian mix. The recipe that I saw for the bushcraft, he used Ritz crackers and smashed them up. Which, oh, that looked really good, but we're going with the chicken. Sorry, of course we're going with chicken, but I'm going with no Ritz. I just thought this would be tasty too. Okay. I do need to steal this paper to do my pat it down thing. I won't bore you with the whole process, but I will bring you back and show you the other ingredients. Got a garlic clove coming real soon, so I need another paper plate. Hang on there. Alright, sorry about that. It's kind of taking a minute here. So anyway, that's the process. I'm going to do all these and gently set them over here, and then I'll bring you back for the other ingredients so as to not bore you too long. Alrighty. And I'll just be frying it on top of the stove. The grease is warming right now. In there's the tomatoes, a couple other ingredients. I still got to get garlic. So I'm just going to pan fry those up real nice. I'll show you the end result when I put the stuff all together. Alrighty? Be digging Vermont. Be cooking today. See ya. Howdy, be digging Vermont. I almost forgot to show you guys the rest of my making the stuff here. I'll use some fresh garden tomatoes and some spaghetti sauce and combine them together to make that. There's some onion, garlic, ginger, and a little bit of seasonings. Some Jane's mixed up salt we used today. Dash of chili powder and some smoked paprika. I got lots of stuff here. Lots of good stuff. It goes all the way back, yes. And I can dig more out, but this is not a seasoning check. So anyway, Parmigiana, something. Chicken. Got some Italian breaded, crusted, fried chicken, deep fried. And then the onion saute. And I'm going to dump this sauce into this in just a short minute here. Going to get these just a little more browned, not much. We don't want them to be burnt. We mix garlic, ginger, onion, and seasoning. Oops, sorry. There. Throwing you, thrashing you all around there. Alrighty. I'll bring you back here in just a minute when we put it all together. It's going in this pot and we're doing it on top of the stove, and that is because this is a bushcraft recipe, or that I saw. It's an Italian recipe, Parmigiana chicken, or chicken Parmigiana. So, oh, I almost forgot. Cheddar cheese going in there too. I'll bring you back for when I put it all together and start cooking it. And then we'll give an outro on what it looks like in the end. Alright. See you, bye. Shazam. Digging Vermont, be cooking. Now we're gonna put this stuff together. Here's some chicken, Italian breadcrumbs. I was gonna use Ritz, but I decided to do it a little different today. So Ritz is a good alternative. So I'm gonna put a little sauce in the pan just to get her started. And we're going to put our chicken in there. Which I cooked just earlier today. Wasn't very long ago. Bit of oil and juice in there too. Ah, good stuff. Alrighty. Stay right there. Got some on me. Okay, so a little of this here. Now a little more sauce on top of this. Ooh yeah, baby. And then some cheese. Alrighty. This is where the cheddar chunks come in. I'm gonna put these in on top of there. Because, you know, you can never have too much cheese, I don't think. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And, of course, Cabot Vermont Sharp. Best cheese there is. Okay. Now the rest of the sauce in there. And this isn't just regular sauce, it has nice fresh garden tomatoes in there. Well, they were frozen, but you know, pretty close to being fresh. They were grown by a friend of mine in Cavendish, Vermont. So, thanks him. Thanks, Keith. Thanks for the tomatoes. Alrighty, that's good enough. See? Okay, yes sirree. Now the rest of the cheese going on there. Okay. Well, I think we're looking pretty darn good. What do you guys think? Okay. Woohoo! I'm just gonna put a little more of this Jane salt on the top, just because I do like it. And it'll go good with cheese. Alrighty, we just gotta get this all cooked up and get the cheese melted. By golly, girl. Come back later and check it out. And there it is. Pretty quick and easy. Fried some chicken in the pan in some oil with Italian breadcrumbs. You can use Ritz crackers or whatever you like. I did use 1 egg to get that stuff to stick to it better. Onions, little ginger, garlic, something else too. Onions, of course, if I didn't mention them. Alright, anyways, and some seasoning. So you can season it yourself how you like it. But we'll come back for one more shot to show you how that's looking. Have a good one. Be digging Vermont. How you doing? Be digging Vermont. Just going to show you the finished product on the Parmigiana. Chicken Parmigiana. Italiano. Mwah. Anyway, I'm going to show you the finished product. Take a quick bite. I'm not going to, sit here and eat it and act like, oh, it's the greatest thing ever. Because, of course, it's going to be good. We know it is. Usually everything we make is good. If it's terrible, I'll try to tell you that too, okay? That's all I can say. But I'm not going to put you through the whole stomach pains of eating the whole stuff and watching me be like, girl, great. So I don't believe in that stuff. So, let's see. I got a spoon, but I think I might need a fork would be good. Spoon fork action, but alright, we'll see. I've got a ladle on hand and another kind of spoon. We'll see what happens. It looks really good, actually. Melted cheese. Vermont cheddar. The good stuff. The good stuff. Vermont cheddar. Alright. So, let's see. There's a piece of that chicken right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Holy cow. Pow. And then, yep. I lost part of the cheese. Wowzers. Look at that. That is, well, I don't know, delectable? Delightful? I think it looks great. Get some bread and butter. I got plenty of cheese on there. And it came out really nice. Another section right across there. See where the chicken's meat separate? It really held together good. So I'm happy. Anyways, be digging Vermont. Chicken Parmigiana. Shazam. It's not just metal detecting and starting fires. We also cook stuff here. So we'll see you later. Have a good one. Shazam.